guys, welcome to Heather's Treasures. Don't mind my hands, I just spray painted a cup. And I did a test, and this one was the best, but I think they all failed. I did it in silver, so I'm going to try it in black this time. This one is way too thin, but I'm going to do it anyways, just to show you. So I'm going to take this little plastic scraper here. Get it into the crevices. And I found that the original relief mold needs to be perfectly flat. So I'll have to do a redo. So yeah, this one is probably not going to work, but we're going to do it anyway. Well, no, this one, I know this one isn't going to work, but we're going to do it anyway. Just so you can see. And it's not flat by any means. So you want to get it as clean as possible, which is going to be impossible here. But you know what? It's a learning experience. Now I know that the next time I make this, I have to make sure that the lace is going to be thick enough that I can get some bakeable liquid polymer clay in there. And I baked mine for 15 minutes. I don't know. I thought that the longer you baked it, the more bendy it would be. But they just crumbled in my hands as I was pulling them out, except for that one. I did a little different pulling it out, and I'll show you what I did after these are baked. Can you tell I'm not a professional at this? I really like this one too, so I want to at least get a couple flowers so I can put them on a piece. So I'm just scraping off as much of the pieces, the stuff that I don't want to remain. And I may have to perform surgery on it with an X-Acto knife. So I'll just clean off my spatula here. Oofda. Okay, I'm going to put these in the oven for just 10 minutes this time. And we will be right back. Okay, here they are. It's awful messy looking. Get them cool. Let's pull them off the tile so that they can get cooled off onto the glass plate here. I'll put that back up in the oven. Okay. I'm going to try to remove as much of this stuff as I can. Okay, here's what I ended up doing for this one. I put it down upside down and then I tipped it up. And then I rolled it away. Oh, I'm actually getting X's this time. Oh, there's breaking apart now. So you can see, if I'm going to do this one again, I'll need to embed those X's further down in. So let's do this one without cleaning. And I start scratching as I say that. I'm just very carefully rolling it, trying to keep the lace flat so that it doesn't break on me. It's breaking anyway, but you get the idea, right? So fail 2. This one is probably going to fail as well. But I might get at least a strip. So we'll be really careful here. I'm going to start with this end. And I can very carefully go in with an X-Acto knife and just pick that out after it cools. Look at that. Oh, I almost got it. Yay! Look at me! So then, just go in and very carefully cut that away. So now this all has to come off. Look at that, guys. Just clean out these holes. A little time consuming, but fun. I've got polymer clay lace. This is the one I really wanted to see work. Please work. rolling slowly. And now, if this was perfectly flat, we wouldn't have all of these issues. So I'm going to do these again so that I can have, oh, did it. Look at that. I don't care that there's all that stuff on there. We'll clean those later. Oh, don't break on me. I'm so excited, guys. I've got lace. From a mold that I made myself. I'm so proud. I know I'm weird. You guys are probably saying, oh my God, trash that, woman. Give up. I can't give up. Like this one. But I am going to redo that relief mold again. Oh, I got lace, guys. Look at that. Here, oh, dare I pick it up? This piece, the center is gone, and that's okay. But I got 3. Can you see? Isn't that pretty? I just got a little more cleanup to do. Look at that delicate lace. I can't tell if it's focusing. Now pick this one up. The other 2 disappeared. Where'd my X's go? Oh, they went clear back there. There's that one. They need cleanup. That's okay. I can live with that. I like it. And these do bake, which is amazing. I was so scared. I don't know why. Even though the manufacturer says, what was it, 425 degrees? I wrote it down in the description of the other video, and I can't remember again. But yay! I got at least for my first run. This worked. And you know, I could salvage this. Let me move these up out of the way. Let's do it with this piece here. Maybe we can salvage. Just have a string of pearls. Wouldn't that be cool? Get these last 2 things cut off here. So you can get the picture. This is cool. Needs a lot more cleanup. But it gives me ideas for the next ones. So what do you think, guys? You gonna give this a go? I hope you do. Find some thicker lace than I have. I think that's the key. And have a thicker base than 2 millimeters, because that's all I had at the time. And you know, brain dead, whatever excuse you want to call it. I didn't think to double it up. That's like, geez, that was It's a simple solution, but I didn't think of it at the time. Live and learn. But this is pretty. So I think I'm going to have a go at this again. I may or may not use these on a piece. Who knows? But I had fun. How about you? Did you have fun watching? I hope you did. If you enjoyed this video, were inspired, or just entertained, give me a like. If you wouldn't mind and you want to go buy something on Amazon, if you would graciously use one of my links in my description box. Doesn't cost you any extra. But I get just a really small percentage, and that'll help me buy my supplies. Yay! I got something. And I am inspired to try this again. So, till next time, love you. Bye-bye.